my dream job is teacher. And then I live in Barangay 12, Palanang, Tacloban City. My sports is my sports is dance sports. Thank you. Ako ay si ko laba. Ako nagad ay 8 years old. Akong address ay Matina Playa, Sister Street, Davao City, Matina Playa. Akong sports ay dance sports. Badminton ako. Akong dream job ay mo fashion designer. Thank you. Perfect, but with the perfect.
Let's go.
My talent is dancing. 1, 2, 3, go. This is the dance. Baby, shut up and dance with me.
Shut up and dance with me.
Okay.
Go.
Could be in the mood to apologize. Every lie, give me first life. Something away, look at your eyes. Nothing to apologize. Fight so day, but your love so sweet. Talk so pretty, but your heart sweet. Late night travel, but your love so neat. Never, never, ever let go.
Go.
Palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Ulit-ulitin ang nais kong malaman mo. Iyo ako, sa pagbalik ng hangin, pilak at ginto.
Lights, camera, action.
Ano ka?
Bakit nagusunod pa rin? Ang damang to.
Ikaw.